we're making a pastel Merry Christmas wreath today. This is the sign. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my wreath frame. Wreath frame. This is the mesh I'm using. This is a Deco poly mesh. Okay, I'm gonna cut 18 pieces at 20 inches. Alright, so I'm gonna do cruffles. I want to know exactly where the ribbon tails are gonna go. I'm gonna scoot this one over a little. So I got two on this side and then one up here. You know, it's just wild, like, that my foot has a fracture on it. I mean, I'm not really surprised that it is because, like, it had been hurting for months. And I'm like, there's just no way that there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, I thought maybe it was, like, a bunion or something, or I don't know, some kind of other weird foot thing. But I am so klutzy. I mean, I drop things constantly. I mean, it's like things just fall out of my hands. And I'm constantly running into wall, like my feet, not my face or my head. Like my feet are always like catching the edges. And I'm like, I guarantee that's how it happened. I guarantee it. Like I probably did it to myself. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 14. Do a 2.5 and a 1.5. But I think I might layer them. Like instead of having them spread out, I think I might layer them. Finished adding the ribbon tails into the wreath, and this is what it's looking like so far. Now that I have the ribbon tails in, I'm gonna embellish it. I'm gonna use these ones. I'm not sure what these are. They are some kind of, I don't know, but these are maiden hairs. These are white, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these into the wreath. I finished adding the embellishment. I do want to get one more embellishment. I want to get some little berries. like some white pearl berries, just because I just like to have more than two embellishments. Like I just think the two is not enough, and I think a sparkly white berry would be really pretty. So I think I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby tomorrow and see if I can find some. All right, I'm back from Hobby Lobby, and these are the berries that I found. My phone's looking a little cloudy right now. I don't know what's wrong with it, but hopefully it's showing. It's just white, and it's got a little bit of sparkle to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those in.